So maybe some redundancy here, but I want to just note that, again, for some of you that have been around for a long time and you would prefer to activate your pattern here, if I press forward on both of these buttons, watch what happens to the cue, okay? Watch up ahead, boom, you're double yellow. What if I want to do a double yellow skip line? Pull back on both of them, and there's your double yellow skip line, okay? If I want the right hand to be solid and the left hand to be skip, and I want to put that in the cue, pull back on that, and there you show that pattern in the cue. Reverse that, and you see the reverse of that in the cue. And then, of course, to push it to active, just push and activate the gun on button, pull back to start it. So from there, to adjust your thermo temperature, go here, adjust your thermo temperature up and down, whatever your desired thermo temperature in the kettle is. Push, you can just let it disappear on its own, or you can push the button again to make the box go away. Again, up or down goes in 5-degree increments. Push it again to go away. This is indication only. That's your heat exchanger temperature, your thermo coming back into your heat exchanger. Your main burner temperature right here, set temp. Set your burner temperature up and down. I believe the highest it's going to go is 590 degrees. It won't go past that. That's a safety. We recommend running around 550, but if you want to push it on a big day, go to 570, 580. No problem, you can push it on those days. Set your hoses tank right there. Set your hoses tank up and down, no problem.